We're here in London today looking at the Nintendo Switch 2, which I've been really excited about. I've kind of looked forward to this more than the new PlayStation 5 even, to be honest, because I just spend so much of my time playing Switch games. And part of today, we've got to see the new Mario Kart and the new Donkey Kong, which is coming in June and July, respectively. As you can see, and probably already know, it's bigger than the last one. No, it doesn't have an OLED. No, there's no new Mario game except Mario Kart. But honestly, I really don't care. I just think it's such an exciting thing to have coming out for the summer. It's probably the most important product we're going to see this year even. And it's just so much better design than the last one. From the stand on the rear is just honestly way, way better than before. The way the Joy-Con 2s disconnect with the magnets is just so much more elegant. The way it's done is just really impressive. It's a little bit larger at 7.9 inches, so more like a Steam Deck size, but nowhere nearly as thick. I also bought my old Switch as well, just as a comparison point. Obviously, I've been using this for years, but the Switch 2 I've only used for a short period of time. And it feels really natural, but just the difference in scale is actually kind of crazy. The screen is only like 1 inch bigger, but it just equates to so much more in use. It's a much better new console though. I think everything about it's way more refined. Like the triggers on the old one are just like much smaller. They're way larger on the second and so much easier to use. Around the back as well, like the stand. This feels really purposeful now. Like it's proper aluminium build, really rigid. On the old one, not quite so much. You know, the little flap was never quite the same sort of deal. Even the Joy-Cons, obviously these are smaller on the original just because of the change in scale, but that release system where you have to like press and hold, it's fine, but it's a bit finicky. This new system, it's magnetic, you press a button, it just comes straight out. It's just way better. So the improvements have been really, really thought about. And even though it's much bigger, honestly, it just feels really natural to use. I'm really pleased it's not any thicker than some of the sort of PC and Steam consoles are just way bigger and just more cumbersome. I think it's been really well thought through in that regard. And it feels quite similar to the original, despite it being that much larger. And it's just a really solid console. I've been really enjoying testing it out on all these different games. I think it's going to be one of the sell-out products of the year before it even goes on sale.